Pima works really hard on making sure that what you learn is what you will be able to do in your work.
The skill set we are teaching here at Pima is giving students a very well-rounded foundation to build on.
AIT, Automated Industrial Technology, is a program that prepares students for careers in advanced manufacturing, specifically smart manufacturing and robotics. It covers technical skill sets that are needed in many different sectors.
We have our Level 1 certificate program, which is your foundation. You could go and do all 5 classes, so you could get your Level 1 certificate in 1 semester. From there, you can move on to our Level 2, and both of those combined are accounting towards your associate's degree.
They tell you what the end goal is and how to achieve it, but they're also willing to work with you on one step at a time.
I'm a hands-on learner, so I really like being able to be in class, be in person, working with hands-on and kind of seeing what I'm learning about as far as lecture and then going into the lab and being able to put that into action.
It's very helpful to have an instructor that's been in the field for 15 plus years and knows what they're doing and knows the field, knows the industry.
If you like tinkering with cars, if you like tinkering with electronics and that just fascinates you and you like destroying things and taking them apart, this is perfect for you.
Automation is just growing and it's only going to get bigger. It is a great way to start your future.
I am definitely grateful for being in this program because it presents opportunity